Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on EPA's new Interactive Air Trends Report. In this video, I'll be focusing on some of the key interactive features you'll find in this year's report. First, designed to be mobile friendly, the style and features available will vary depending upon your screen size and device, mobile phone, tablet, laptop, desktop. For example, the navigation menu at the top will collapse into a single button on smaller screens like those on mobile phones, and the quick links along the left-hand side will only appear on larger screens such as those found with desktops. Let's take a look at some of the features in this year's Air Trends report. You can scroll throughout the report using the scroll bar on the right hand side of your browser window as normal. You can jump to particular topics of interest using the navigation items at the top, or when available using the quick links along the left hand side. Links to websites and videos will be highlighted in green text throughout the report, with a thumbnail image appearing when hovering over that text. New in the 2016 Trends Report is the ability to click and hover over charts to view additional information. You can hover over the chart to view additional data for each of the pollutants and its corresponding year. Additionally, you can click on items in the legend to hide or include lines as you see fit. Some of the charts will have a button in the top right corner that will allow you to print or export the chart as an image or download data as a CSV or Excel file. Additional content can be viewed by clicking on buttons similar to this one with some of the same features available. Some elements like this health environmental effects table may be more text-centric. As the reader, you can control what to view by clicking on pollutant headings and view any additional videos or websites that may be available when highlighted in green text. One of the great features of the new Trends Report is the ability to control the content you see and interact with the visuals. Here you can choose a criteria pollutant of interest and view corresponding concentration and emissions trends data. The first chart depicts the national annual concentration trend for that pollutant. To the right of this chart is a map of that same concentration data, but for each individual monitor in the United States. Below the concentration chart, you'll find associated emissions with that criteria pollutant. For example, ozone is influenced by both NOx and VOC emissions. Clicking on either of these tabs will allow you to view the different emissions trends. Similar to other charts, you can hover over the green circles to view additional data such as national averages, 90th and 10th percentiles, and national emissions data. When hovering and clicking on points on the map, you also get to see additional data about that monitor and the annual concentration trend line plotted against the national data, seen here in orange. Double-clicking on a state will allow you to zoom in. You can continue to click in to zoom in further. Clicking on the home button in the top left corner will reset the map. Last but not least is the ability to animate all of this by clicking on the play button. Lower values are depicted in blue, while higher values are in green and yellow. You can drag the slider at the top to change the year manually, or you can also do this by dragging the green circles on the charts. The Air Trends Report also has links to several interactive story maps that the EPA has created. Hovering and clicking on any of these maps will open a larger interactive version. You can find out more information about the map by reading the section on the left and clicking on any of the blue shaded areas for additional detail about that particular area. Similar to the criteria pollutant section, you can select one of several air toxics monitored across the country by using a drop-down menu. Colors depict the long-term trend for that pollutant, with blue indicating a decreasing trend. You can hover over the spark line or this line on the map to view additional information such as the location, the mean value, and overall trend direction. We can zoom into an area by clicking and dragging, and once again view additional data or view additional information by hovering over the line. Clicking on the home button will reset the map. We provide links to several of our air-related websites where you can read and learn more about EPA programs. Additionally, we have links to several of EPA's social media outlets that we hope you'll follow. And up at the top of the report, clicking the share button will allow you to share this report with others via your Twitter, Facebook, or email. We hope you'll read and interact with the full report and share with others. Thanks for watching.